Hello, have a unboxing. Let's see what this one is. Very nice pack. Oh, okay, I know. This is my 3. I paid, I believe it was 20. I didn't look well enough. I thought it was, they were all 3 Zippos. However, only one of them is actually a Zippo. So I was kind of bummed upon finding that out as I was paying for the lot. But let's see. Well, that one's pretty dented. This is the only Zippo, as you can see. Well dented. But hey, I like Zippo with a character. So this one, it's a huge dent right on the front there. And it looks like dented. It sure did the chimney too. I'll clean that one up. Looks like it got shot. That's how I describe that. And then some Storm King Zippo. That is crap. Sometimes it's important to feel what a wannabe cheap other Zippo is. You know, just to humble and be like, oh wow, that's why Zippos are amazing, because something like this, dude. Look at that. Probably throwing that one away. And then this one still has a box, made in Japan. This is definitely knockoff Zippo. But, you know, again, it's great to see how crappy all the other wannabe Zippos are. Not bad there, but, I mean, just... So, ended up paying $20 for a single Zippo that is pretty roughed up. And I don't think I have this design yet, but I do want one pristine still. Playboy Hottie 2004. So, yeah, I'll have to clean that one out too. Anywho, you win some, you lose some. Still great to have, and nice little Zippo.